Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and you're about to watch another insightful episode of Masterminds in Maintenance. Today you're in for a treat as we'll be exploring the dynamic world of maintenance and reliability with industry expert George Williams, CEO of ReliabilityX. George will share with us his journey, valuable insights, and the secrets to his success. Not only will you learn about the importance of understanding the value proposition of your equipment, systems, and people, but we'll also discuss common pitfalls in implementing maintenance strategies and the significance of a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS. So, let's get started. Today we're thrilled to have George Williams, CEO of ReliabilityX, share his extensive insights. With over 15 years of experience across various sectors, George brings a wealth of knowledge to our discussion. Starting off, George highlights a critical aspect of maintenance, understanding the value proposition of your equipment, systems, and people. He emphasizes that all three components are crucial for a successful maintenance team, debunking the common misconception that only one may be valuable. George's journey is nothing short of inspirational. From starting as a painter in a Fortune 100 company to becoming globally responsible for asset management, his story is a testament to the power of growth and education within the industry. Winning an Uptime Award and being named CMRP of the Year are just a few of his commendable achievements. A key takeaway from George's experience is the importance of focusing on people. By empowering and educating team members and evolving the company culture, his team was able to achieve remarkable success. This approach not only improved their maintenance and reliability programs, but also fostered a positive and proactive work environment. George also sheds light on the common pitfalls companies face when implementing maintenance strategies. He warns against viewing reliability as a temporary project rather than a continuous process. True reliability requires a deep understanding of your assets and a commitment to ongoing improvement, not just a set start and end date. Furthermore, George discusses the critical role of a computerized maintenance management system in maintenance and reliability. He stresses that the value of a CMMS lies not just in its existence, but in its proper utilization and the strategic input of data. This system should be leveraged to enhance plant performance and improve workforce efficiency, which are often overlooked aspects. In our conversation, George also touches on asset classification and its significance in ensuring effective maintenance strategies. Proper classification helps in accurately diagnosing issues and planning preventive measures, which are essential for reducing downtime and optimizing operations. As we wrap up, George offers invaluable advice for those early in their maintenance careers and stresses the importance of continuous learning and adapting to business dynamics. He encourages professionals to understand the business side of operations to better articulate the value of maintenance and reliability in financial and operational terms. George's insights are a reminder of the dynamic nature of the maintenance and reliability industry and the continuous need for innovation and adaptation. His emphasis on the human element, strategic use of technology, and understanding the business implications of maintenance decisions are lessons that resonate across all levels of the industry. For those eager to connect with George and dive deeper into his thoughts on maintenance and reliability, he is active on LinkedIn and hosts a podcast, Practical Reliability, available on Spotify. His contributions to the field are not only enlightening, but also instrumental in shaping the future of maintenance and reliability. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Masterminds in Maintenance. We've explored the importance of understanding the value proposition of your equipment, systems, and people, discussed common pitfalls in implementing maintenance strategies, and highlighted the significance of a CMMS. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about our maintenance and reliability solutions, visit us at upkeep.com. Until next time, remember, in the world of maintenance, continuous learning and adaptation are key to long-term success.